Stop me, it's fine.
Yeah, they call me Glock and the G stand for greatness. Married to money, told her that I'm taking. Cutthroat the gang, better yet with the Navy. It ain't no debate. I might bulletproof the Mercedes. Yeah, I'm playing with this paper. Yeah, I'm ballin' like Kobe, these can't hold me. Yeah, I might put up 81. Everybody know me, it's M.O.B. Until I'm 81. Yeah, I'm that
I made one.
Black diamonds, I'm a Jacob. Bring it to your door like Avon. High as hell, might hit you with a rave. Where I'm from, you don't got it, then take some.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be working on this Mustang right here. It's 2020 Gen 3 Coyote. We're gonna be slapping some goodies on there. I can't say too much because you know it's a grudge car, but just know it's gonna be packing some heat once we get it out from the shop. It's gonna be LUR tuned. Also, we're gonna be working on this Shelby. We got the twin turbo kit. We're gonna pull the blower off. We're gonna pull the headers off. You know, all the supporting mods from the Whipple, like you know some pulleys. But we're gonna slap this turbo kit on. It's gonna be really nice, and we're gonna get some footage for you guys. So we're gonna shoot this one first, and then we'll shoot some other footage on that Shelby. First four-door in the world with the twin turbo kit. Let's get it.
Fuzz on. So ice. Let's go. This rabbit shit easy for me like a poem. I'm Louis V dancing my feet, better water. You stepping this big cause I'm on. Remember they died as I break the shit out from my nigga all the way down to my palm. I used to make wishes, the stars in the sky, now a young nigga shine like the sun. Can't go to jungle, I need every chrome. This on the gang, hit the block with a bomb. I got shooters that still like my knife Farrakhan. I do this shit for my mama, the struggle and hustle. Thank God he got me out the slum.
I'm supposed to be a cameraman. They got me as helping man. Alright, bro, pull the motor out real quick. My bad, bro. I got you. Nah, for real. We about to pull the motor out, boy. See, part one completed, huh? Oh, damn. It was hot? Huh? Oh, light. Try to pick it up. Go ahead, man. We're gonna have Angel put the blower back on. Damn. That's a really cakewalk, bro. What you think? Pretty light, huh? Pretty heavy, bro. Like a good 5-10 pounds, bro. I was thinking more like 3 pounds. Yeah. Somewhere around there. Yeah. Think this side's gonna be harder or what?
Map sensor right there, but when you got the right tools, ain't nothing get hard, bro. Something does get hard, though. Installing the turbo kit.
Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure.
You know what I mean?
You wanna let the people know what you're doing to the build or nah? Or you wanna keep it a little secret?
Yeah, no, we'll put it out there. So you guys gonna see from the title of this video. We're installing a twin turbo kit on this Shelby, courtesy of Aldowelds. You know, this guy's located here in the Houston area. We hit him up and he told us that he has a kit ready for us. We picked it up. Aldo's a really nice guy. Shout out to him. Go follow him in his social media. But there's some parts that we got laying around right here. We're gonna finish taking off this supercharger. And the remaining stuff on it, like, you know, has that 10 grip tensioner. We might leave it on there, but Once we take this off, we're gonna take the headers off, lift the truck up, and start with the turbo kit. So it should be pretty fun. It's gonna be a nice transition over to the turbo world for this customer. First turbo truck for them, so it's gonna be pretty fun. So right now, for the meanwhile, just stay tuned, watch the removal and the install process. I'm about to get high off that.
For real? Your eyes burning?
Burning. So you gonna get mama ain't ready no.
Say what? I don't think they heard you.
My mother did not raise a female dog.
Oh. Oh, okay.
So rated PG-13 just in case the kids watch. Whenever you're taking off or installing a Whipple, at least a Gen 5 or Gen 6, make sure you don't eat before you do this. It makes it a lot easier.
You having some trouble though, sir?
Yeah. You know that first time when you're trying to find a hole?
Sounds about right. You trying to get that last bolt in the back?
Yeah.
2 hours later.
Oh boy. You installing the turbo?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know how that's gonna turn out.
It's always something about that last bolt that just never wants to come out, bro. Never wants. This Shelby is gonna be so sick. Twin turbos, 4-door Shelby. That's gonna be crazy. It's gonna really compete at the track. Twin turbos on a 4-door, they're even crazier part. Never seen anything like that, to be honest. I put his socials right here on the screen, like probably like somewhere right here. I don't know. And then we got this guy.
What up, guys? About to do some belly support.
Some belly support.
That way we can get in here real good.
Okay.
This one's only sold at Snap-on, so we should go get one.
Oh, Snap-on sponsored or not?
Now we're like negative 20 grand right now.
Damn.
That's just in my first account. I got 5 more.
What?
Like who? Daddy.
What happened, bro?
Bro, fine.
No way.
Oh, you got it, bro.
After how long? Like 2 hours?
But this is our second day on this. Yeah. Took us about 3.5 hours, but we got it done.
Yep.
Now on to the second one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Second bolt off already?
Yeah. So now we got to get the Allen key, and we're gonna loosen up the main bolt that holds it down over here in the middle. Once we do that, we can take the supercharger off. Have some fun finally.
Hey.
We're gonna have to take these connections off for the fuel rail.
Brother, what's that?
You done? passed out with me.
Your dad almost passed out.
Casi.
Now, as you can tell, we have now pulled out the supercharger. Well, I mean, the man himself, Julian. But now, since everything's taken off, we just heading to the next step. What's the next step, boss man?
So, as you guys know, well, for the guys that don't know, the 21 F-150 models, the head bolt is different for the intake manifold. So this one we actually have to ship it out. So we're gonna send it to a buddy of mine, Abel. Shout out to you, bro. He's gonna modify the intake, that way it can fit directly on this bolt on 100%.
Oh, we gotta kill this one.
You gotta kill that. You gotta kill that goddamn son of a gun, man. Kill that guy, bro. Damn, what that guy do to you, man? I think, sir. With the knife is crazy.
Smoking on this pipe.
Oh.
Like Zach, so you know I keep 4K.
All the hate and lies don't come out of nowhere. Don't nobody want to see you win. Nobody want to see you doing better than them. But you know when you climb to the top, this fuck wheel trying to pull you down to the bottom. That ain't nothing but a crab in a bucket.
I made him, ayy, balls in the trap while I'm rapping and serving. I know I made nigga nervous, on the cut that nigga if you need service. 93 got no words, ballin' my nigga don't need me a jersey. You know they go hold a 30, run a reward, they shoot you like Curry.
Guys, so after, 20 minutes of taking this whipple off, clearly being sarcastic, we're mocking up this Boss 302 intake right here that we're gonna be installing. And we're gonna keep walking you through the steps on how we put this turbocharger system together. It's gonna be pretty bad. It's gonna be a one-of-one build for sure right now. I've seen some other guys, they did a single cab Shelby already. Those came out pretty sick. But this is gonna be a 4-door, and hopefully we're gonna go a lot more faster than what it was. So we still gotta change out the converter, because that converter was for a supercharged setup, so we're gonna put it for a turbocharged application now. And guys, we're gonna be posting a flyer soon about a 1-year anniversary here at the shop. So stay tuned for that. Look up on, I think we're gonna post it on Instagram. So stay tuned on Instagram, maybe on YouTube too. And that's gonna wrap it up for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed this content. So we got my boy Angel as a camera guy.
Hey.
So you guys are gonna see him a little bit more and see what goes down behind the scenes at the shop here a little bit more too. So should be pretty fun. We also got Grady's car, which we're gonna start fabricating some more stuff on it once he brings me the exhaust. And we got a Roush F-150. We got a white Mustang that's one of my buddies. It's gonna be so it's gonna make. I'm not even allowed to say the power, so we're not gonna say that. But just know we're coming for you boys. Let's go.